Hello guys, so today guys we have the new Rode Casterpro 2. So today's vlog guys, we will unbox and check what inside the box of this new Rode Casterpro 2. Without further ado guys, let's start and unbox this Rode Casterpro 2. So this is the box of the Rode Casterpro 2. Compared for the Pro 1, this is a smaller box compared for the first version. So let's go and check guys. But let's see what's inside at the box of this Rode Casterpro 2. Box contains, it's already the main Rode Casterpro 2, a power adapter and the USB-C cable connect. Ayan, integrated audio production studio. So ayan guys, let's check and start unbox now please. It's a quick unbox, of course. This is good for podcasting. Yeah, the best for podcasting guys. Yeah. Oops. And the control, and revolution, preamps, apex, something, blah blah blah. It's written here, it's good, made for iPhone and iPad. You know why? That's good for iPhone and iPad. And guys, get the most Rode Casterpro NTH 100. So we have also NTH 100 there. Of course, it's good also with the pod mic and PSA1 Plus. It's all new, new device also from the Rode. Yeah. So this 3 item guys is connected with this Rode Casterpro 2. So if you want to purchase this one, make sure that you have also this pod mic, NTH 100 and the PSA1 Plus. And guys, baksan natin. So of course your adapter for power supply. Yan. Let's remove this box, and this is the main this is the main Rode Casterpro guys. So, and you have first the cable. This is the cable guys, which is I think the USB-C to USB-C connector, and you have your power adapter. Ang power adapter. So you have 3. Yan. Saksak nyo rito, USB-C, and you are good to go. We will try to open also guys. So this is the Rode Casterpro 2. Yan. This is the Rode Casterpro 2 guys. Of course, you have the record buttons here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tawag dito scroll or something. Buttons here. With the colors. Ayos din siya, guys. And you have also 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. If you want to put effects. Yan, 8 effects guys dito. So headphone is already in this area guys. Welcome to Rode Casterpro. So this is the main board guys. So we need to check and we need to try the next few days. And also you have XLR here guys at the back. Again, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 XLR, female XLR. You have 4 for the audio, and for the speaker you have 1, 2. Left and right. USB-C you have 1, 2. USB-C you have LAN and the power and the micro SD. Of course, you have the micro SD. So this is the Rode Casterpro guys. It's more compact compared for the first version, which is the Rode Casterpro. Yeah, this is the Rode Casterpro. Yeah, it's already touchscreen guys, LCD. While the first one, yan, hindi siya touchscreen. This one is already a touchscreen LCD. So it's nice and it's smaller compared for the first version. So, and guys, I think that's it for today. Again, this is the quick unbox and check for the Rode Casterpro 2. So again, hanggang dito lang. If you want to know the prices of the Rode product that we have, you can check to our website www.abworld.com. At syempre, meron tayong mga microphone. We have microphone. We have all stuff from Rode Caster. Again, the NTH1, the Rode Casterpro, the pod mic again, and the PSA1 Plus. So it's available all guys here in the AB World. So just check guys. And also the new Rode Casterpro 2. The price is already in our website. So again, www.abworld.com. So hanggang dito lang. Again, flex time. First one to flex kay Palaboy OFW sa PBK natin 2.0. Nasa Pinas siya ngayon, nakabakasyon. So yun. Malamang after how many weeks, wala nang pera. Pulubi na yan. Ang ating videographer ngayon, si Brian Puntanar. Ang ating sound engineer na Petix, saan na naman yun? Si Audrey, nawala na naman. Audrey! Yan si Audrey, kung saan na napunta. At ang day off ng lover boy natin na si Julius. Hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.